Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review. So I received hair from LuvMe hair and the packaging looks really cute. Like, look at this. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. So we're gonna be doing an installation video. So let's get on with the video. Let me quickly just open it up. So this is how it looks like. And then in the box, the hair is nicely packaged. And then there's, what is this? What is this? Oh, this looks so nice. It's lashes. Oh, this looks really pretty. It's a ribbon, not a ribbon, a hair tie. And nails. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. And so I've got some nails as well as some earrings, guys. Oh, and this looks so pretty. And this, I think this is that thing for the phone, for the back. I don't know what you call this thing, but like I get what it is. And then here is the hair. It comes this little package, which I think is really cute because it keeps the hair nice and protected. So let me just jump straight in. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be doing an install. We came with a comb, and oh my gosh, there's actually a lot of things in this box. Then there's a little comb, not a little, there's a comb, and then there is, what's this? Oh, basically the return and refund policy, how to take care of the wig, FAQs about the product and the usage, how to use the hair/wig. Oh my gosh, there's actually a lot of information. Then on here as well, there's the contact details. So I've got a discount code for you guys, which is really exciting. So if you do purchase the hair, you will get some discounts off. So this is the hair. Okay, well, this is not the hair, but like, let me just open it up. So this is called the chocolate brown curly frontal. So let me just open it up. This is how it's looking like. Oh my goodness, it feels very nice and soft. Let's see. So I'm not going to be doing any bleaching of the knots. I just want to see it as it is. Should I really do that? Okay, I'm not sure. But let me just try and install it. So I'm going to be using, oh, this actually looks very nice. This brown color is amazing. This is how it looks like. It's very cute and it's nice and full. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm going to be going in with my Ghost Bond glue. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So basically you're able to style, like have the hair whichever way you want, because it is a frontal. So I didn't actually pluck out the hair. I'm not sure if I will at a later stage, but right now I think it's fine. The hair looks fine. I love how full it is. Like, I'm obsessed. So I will leave the details of the hair in the description box, and then also the coupon, not coupon, child. The my discount code will be somewhere on the screen. So let me quickly just try and show you guys properly. Let me quickly just try and set it a bit more in the desired way I like, and then I will come back and show you guys the full result. Oh my gosh, like I'm obsessed, you guys. Like I really like how this hair turned out like. And what I love the most is, okay, besides the color, but like the hair is nice and full. Like it's very nice and full. Like it's got so much volume, and like I didn't even need to do anything with the hair. I basically just installed the hair. So I would really recommend you guys plugging yourselves. Okay, like I said, I will leave the details in the description box, and then also I will leave the my discount code as well, so that you guys can get some discounts when you buy. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like look at that. I'm very impressed in how it looks and how it turned out. I'm really impressed. And it was very effortless, like actually installing the hair, which is very unusual because you know, installing the hair can be very tricky. So with this one, I really literally needed to just cut the lace and then just put on some glue, and I was good to go. So like I said, this hair is from LuvMe Hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and put yourselves on and buy the hair. I mean, look at it. Look at this hair. I mean, what's not to love? What is not to love about it? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment and leave your thoughts on what you feel about the hair. I think it looks good. I think it looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Up until next time.